Hey guys, Dylan here, back for another shop update about Winter Park Paint and Collision, badass body shop. I said it at the end of the video before, I'm going to say it at the beginning of this one now. Head on over to the Winter Park Paint channel on YouTube. It is a great channel that shows all this stuff, badass body shop. You get to see this stuff being worked on with real, actually professionally done videos, not just cell phone stuff. But I wanted to give you another update of what we got going on here. You can see we still got the 55, we still got the Sunliner, we still got that thing over there. The Cougar's up there, which you guys saw my reaction to that last time. New addition over here, we got this Jeep. And you want to know how to lift a Jeep the correct way? It's really tricky. There's a specific way to do it, but would you look at that? Anyway, 55, but check this out. We got some newer stuff over here. Well, it's a 1969, but it is a Skylark. It's going to be turned into a GS. The colors on it, it's going to be, as Dan would say on Badass Body Shop, off the chain. Really cool little car. I'm going to come to my new favorite over there in a second. We still got the Cougar. It's still kind of one of my favorites, but Cougar's still up there, getting some work done. Down here, got a little British car. Check out this guy, little Austin. But check out this 1971 Mach 1, completely original. Well, not completely, but sitting outside for a while. Owner wants to get some rust damage taken care of, but might get the whole thing repainted while it's here because Badass Body Shop does badass work, why not? But check this out, guys. Look at this engine. Doesn't that look brand new? It's not. That is completely original. It's insane. Oh, here's cool. Something cool that Dan pointed out that I want you guys to take a look at. Look at this hose clamp. That is a factory hose clamp stapled into the hose. That's how they did it back in the day. So if you want to see cars like this, please head on over to Winter Park Paint and Collision, Badass Body Shop. Links in the description on how you can do that. You get to see this kind of stuff being worked on. It is awesome. And hey, if you like Land Rover Defenders, we got a bunch of them. Oh, and one more surprise. We got a special guest hiding back here. Dan. He's hiding out in the office. Yep. I don't want to know what he's looking at on that computer because it's probably something that is not friendly on YouTube and this video will get demonetized. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Head over to the Winter Park Paint channel. Subscribe to that. Like his Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that stuff. Links are all in the description. Stay badass, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Hey, real quick, guys, before I forget, I want to give a shout out to Cirrus Motorsports in Oviedo, Florida. They're the guys that brought us this little Healy. We're going to be doing all their work from now on, all their paint and body work. So if you want to see more little British cars, make sure you check us out, because we'll be getting some cool little British cars from Cirrus Motorsports. And Dan is watching me over in the corner. He's spying on me to make sure I got that plug correct. Did I get it right, Dan? Sweet, right. I got it right. So stay badass, guys.
And I'm watching the Mach auction.
And he's watching the Mach auctions. Peace out, guys. See you on the next video. Stay badass.